where sorrow fills the room, where hearts are heavy with their gloom. Her touch is calm, her voice is kind, a gentle strength in what she finds. With every bandage, every word, hope begins to be restored. Through quiet care and steady grace, she lifts the pain from every face. She gives her heart without reward, a healing light in every chord. Through her presence, fear grows small. Her kindness holds and heals us all. Heals us all. She steps beyond what she must do to bring back strength and carry through. Her hands are warm, her spirit true. In every life her love renews. In times of crisis she remains, a calm within the fiercest pains. Her compassion lights the way, turning night to gentle day. She gives her